How to change Facebook page password. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Facebook application. I am using Facebook Lite. The process is just the same for Facebook Lite as well as Facebook. So make sure you are logged into your Facebook page. As you can see, this is my page. Now, in order to change password, simply go to a menu bar and then go to settings. After that, what you will have to do is, in your account info, simply go to switch profile and then make sure you are in your main profile, which is linked to your Facebook page. Changing Simply changing the password in your main Facebook page will also change your password in your Facebook page as well. So simply go to your main Facebook page, then go to account center. After that, go to password and security, go to change password, and from here select your Facebook account, and after that update your current password, enter your new password, retype your new password, and then save it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.